Hey, hello everyone. Finally, I have the Mini GT Mercedes-Benz Actros UPS truck. European truck. Looks very good, and I have more trucks from Mini GT, so I think this will be diecast, but we will see. It also comes with a set of figures. You have to order this separately. It's not with the truck, and I think these are also made out of metal. Okay, let's take a look at the truck first. It arrived yesterday. Yeah, we can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. You have some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Freeze the frame. Picture of the truck, the name. It comes in a 1/64 scale. We can see Mini GT is active on social media. And here you can see what is possible with imitate wood floor. Interesting. Let's open the box and we see the foam protection. This is for the truck. And this is for the trailer. Let's have a look at the truck first. I think it's best to cut both of the tapes. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so here we have the truck with the UPS logo on the side. This is all made out of metal. This is also made out of metal. I like that you have the wires here for air, electric, etc. This is also very handy for the trailer. This is made out of plastic, fuel tank. Let's have a look at this. At the back we have painted rear lights. Good rolling tires, rubber tires, double wheels. I like that. And very cool, we have steering front wheels. Then we have the front with the Mercedes logo, windscreen wipers on top of the window. Good interior. Let's switch to another camera mode to have a better look inside. Good chairs, side mirrors here, a mirror for the dead angle, or maybe this is the one for the dead angle, I'm not 100% sure. Sunroof. Very good looking truck, in my opinion, with a very nice base. Base is made also out of metal. So a lot of metal on this truck. Okay, now let's have a look at the trailer, which is right here. There we go. Voila. Oh, you can take the container off. I like that. And like I said in the beginning, it is metal. That is really cool. Let's have a look inside. I thought it said it was a wood interior. Primer white walls with imitate wood floor. Well, if this is a wood floor, you can shoot me. Then we have the trailer right here. which is also made out of metal, very strong. Good rolling wheels in the back. Spare tire right here. And again, painted rear lights. This is also made out of metal. A lot of metal on this truck. I like that a lot. Then I thought it was possible. Can we move this? No. How can we take this out? I think we have to. Yes. So this is how you make them longer. And then it will stand perfectly. So there are 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, of course, here are 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can place the container here on the trailer. Very cool. Okay, so how does it look with the truck in front of it? So you got a pin right here. Very easy. Put it in right here. And voila. Well, not voila. I have to make this a little bit shorter. Very realistic this way. I like that. Oop. Yeah. Wheels are rolling very well. Beautiful truck. I love the color combination, the gray with the brown. Yes, of course, typical UPS colors. I love that it has a steering wheel. Man, that is cool. Okay, now let's have a look at the figures. Oh, the only downside. Yeah, there must be a downside. I think the doors from the container are a little bit loose. Except for this one. This one is kind of okay, but this one, nah. Okay, but that's the only thing. And that's not so of a big deal. Okay, the figures. Let's have a look at the figures. Okay, you can place this under the feet of the figure so they will stay on its place. Yeah. Will you stand by yourself? Yep, no problem. So this must be the truck driver. I guess so. He is standing here. I think we're missing something. I have no idea. This one right here. And then we got this dude. Placing this right here. Yep, also perfect. Then this one is checking the package. I guess so. Yeah, even that one will stand by its own. It feels heavy. This one also feels heavy. This is for right here. Oh. And then we got a larger one. Very cool. Okay, let's do it like this. That is a super cool must-have set in my opinion. Okay, then I have something else in the same scale. This UPS truck from Greenlight, HD Trucks, UPS with the flames, also in a 1/64 scale. Let's take it out of the box. Also have a Mercedes Sprinter from Tiny Hong Kong, but I couldn't find that one. Couldn't find it. This is also made completely out of metal. And I thought it would be cool to put it next to the European UPS truck. Oh, even got an opening part. Let's have a look inside. Whoop. Plastic base. Good rolling rubber tires. And a good interior. Let's have a look from the other side. Yeah. And here you can see how big this truck is. Fantastic combination. Love it. Click, 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 click. Making some photos. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Bye.